Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website. Like you see with me here is SpareHire, and SpareHire is an online platform that connects independent consultants and freelancers with project-based work opportunities. So to get started with SpareHire, you need simply head on over to SpareHire or SpareHire.com on Google or any other browser that you prefer. And this is all the results I got after my search on Google, their page on Instagram, on Twitter, some similar websites, and some images. We need the official sites. That means the first one, SpareHire in No Graphics. Let's click on it. So we are in the home page. Okay, let's accept the cookies. And we have also, if we want to download the grid and some information here, you are free if you want to read it or no. Okay, we will talk about them later after I show you how to get started with SpareHire. So we need first to create an account. Let's go to login, click on it. Okay, if you have already an account, you will just write your email address and password and login. If you are new on this website, you need just to sign up from here or from here. Okay, now we need to choose, are we a client or an expert? Okay, if we are a client, we need to click on this one to sign up. If we are an expert, we need to click on the blue over here. Okay, let's try with clients. And here are some information that we need to enter and answer. The first name and the last name, then the work email address, and your phone number. Just a mobile, this is not my mobile phone, it's just a number. Okay, then the company name, like example Susan Co. And you need to answer the following question here that I work for, and select, like example, professional service firm. Okay, and you need to tell them about the project needs, some sentences. Okay, what you need for the project. Example, okay, just a sentence, and we need to click to request a demo. So the request demo is sent, and they will contact you soon to complete the verification of your email by sending an email to your account. Okay, now let's back to the website to know more. So this is how to create an account successfully. Okay, now we will come back to the website to know more about it and some features or key features. So this is the home page that you'll find all the informations that you need to know and the services that the website is present to you. Like you see with me here, we have the consultant network, the SpareHire has a network of pre-vetted consultants who possess specialized skills and experiences in various industries and domain. These consultants typically have extensive professional background, often coming from top-tier consulting firms, and offer their expertise to organization through the platform. And also we have this service here, the who we serve, that mean the matching algorithm. The platform uses a matching algorithm to connect organization with the most suitable consultant for their specific project's requirements. The algorithm takes into account factors such as industry expertise, project scope, and consultants availability to facilitate optional match. Like example, let's choose the first one, enterprise companies. And you'll find here the flexibility that how they help enterprise companies. That mean how these websites help the enterprise companies. They present to them flexibilities, speed to value, and the service and technology. And we have some other informations over here with numbers. The corporate strategy 3400, finance 3100, the marketing is 1810. We have everything with exact numbers, and 12 and 15 average years of work experience of our experts. And some users like KTW, Michael F, and Rahul K from different countries around the world. And here's how to join the peers on a proven flexible consulting model. We have, if you want to apply this one, join our platform as an independent expert, or if you want just to request a demo, and we already do that later when we create an account from request a demo from here. So, and we have the resource here where you can also find the project management tools. The SpareHire may provide project management tools or resources to facilitate collaboration and communication between organization and consultants. This tool can include projects, dashboard, progress tracking, and file sharing capabilities. And also the talent screening. SpareHire typically screen and evaluates consultants before they join the platform, ensuring that they possess the necessary skills and qualification. So this is all what I can tell you today about this website. Please, if you understand me, subscribe for more and follow for seeing more video like this. So like usual, my friends, bye bye to the next video and next website.